Question number 5. What are some tips for spring and late spring ginger and turmeric planting? This is the time of year, y'all. I had, was that 5 years ago? I went on my addiction journey. So I allow myself one healthy addiction a year because I ain't got time for any unhealthy addictions. So the last 2 years, I've cheated. Mulberries have been my addiction. As many mulberry varieties as I can collect. The year before that, it was loquats. A couple years before that, it was ginger and turmeric. I did not realize there was more than one kind of ginger. I thought all turmeric was the orange, curcuma from the grocery store, and I was so wrong. There's a ginger and a turmeric for pretty much everything. So I love the shampoo ginger because you squeeze that cone, the awapui, if you're from Hawaii, squeeze the cone on your loofah and you've got shampoo and body wash. The black and the blue turmeric, the Curcuma sacea SE is really, really good for its anti-inflammatory properties. So it has 5 times the curcumin levels of any other ginger and turmeric in the world. So if you're thinking of, cancer, polymyalgia, fibromyalgia, that one is like your go-to for it. If you've got headaches and migraines, the green turmeric is really, really good for kind of upper body stress, migraines, neck pain, back pain, that sort of thing. Mango turmeric, I mean, it tastes exactly like it sounds. Like it's that mango gingery kind of taste. So think Indian foods and curries with a little bit of ginger in it. It's like, y'all, now we're cooking with peanut oil. It's just good stuff, So this is a great time of year to be planting your gingers and turmerics. If you want to go to the grocery store, great. I would say go to an Asian market. I love the Lotte, L-O-T-T-E Plaza Market. If you're near Orlando, has got some really cool varieties. Great time to do your gals, both the lesser and the greater gal. So this is a great time of year to be doing that. As far as tips go, honestly, set it and forget it. Ginger and turmeric don't like attention. They don't like to be fussed with. I would say if you've killed your ginger and turmeric before, you probably love them too much. like you probably watered them too much, you fertilized them too much, you composted too much, you just paid too much attention to them. They love to be set and forget. So mine grow under the canopy of an oak tree. I'm talking 90% shade under a live oak tree. I put them in the ground, like the same width of the bulb. I do that amount underground. I covered them with a few inches of compost wood chips, and I walked away. And then I harvest in February when they die back. Don't love them. Don't pay too much attention to them. Now, ginger and turmeric are not going to like a lot of sun, especially the harsher, more afternoon sun in these warmer climates. If you're in the Midwest, zones 3 through 8, growing ginger and turmeric as an annual, rock the full sun. But here in Florida, mostly shade. They're going to do way, way better in that mostly shade. So again, I would set it and forget it. Don't water them a bunch. Don't fuss with them. Just when you walk by with your coffee, don't make eye contact with the ginger and turmeric. Just keep on walking, beloved. All right. Question number 6. Also, I'm amazed that I can read my own handwriting some of these times. Sometimes I actually can't, and I just make up the questions. I'm just kidding.